You're gonna have a lot of fans in this video.
Oh, good golly.
You asked for it, you got it.
But actually,
This isn't the one, right?
no,
This is a different one.
this is a different one.
It's a better one.
Is it a better one?
Oh,
Your father says it's a better one.
how do we know
Don't
that?
interrupt her Hiccup video. This is gonna make her big bucks, big bucks. You staying in the car?
Me?
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Let's go.
Gas twice.
Oh my god, I'll warn the people at the store.
I'm not going to do it in this store. I'm going to save it for when I get in the car.
Oh, good God. Oh, good God.
Gonna save it for us, Mally.
Oh, never ending. Ow.
I ain't lying.
But just let it rip.
I'm trying to, my friend. I like poop my pants. I have to have control pressure.
Oh, come on now. Come on, we'll get you look. I'm back. Oh, I love it.
Is this supposed to have like spiritual healing
Yeah, for your heart.
for your heart? So I should make a necklace?
You go like you put it in your pocket by your
Is it
heart.
special?
Tic Tac.
Oh, it's better than the...
I got Tic Tacs.
I just burped it.
You burped a
Dude,
Tic Tac.
We have to get some of that.
Okay. I like. Well, let's pick one. Do you want a little one? A big one? Let's get something nice. Ooh. Do you like this piece? But how are we gonna share it?
Yeah, I think you take the bucket thing.
Or do we like this one?
Yeah, I like this one. We should get rose quartz. I think you have to take it with glass water.
Oh, look at that. Oh, the Zion bud. Woo. No, the bad.
Where's the glass?
Can we do the glass? Now pick out our glass and not hurt ourselves. Ooh.
I like the really clear ones, sort of.
Yeah, you got a good glove.
They're too
Can
big.
you get that one, please? You like that? That one?
I don't know if it's enough blue. What do you think? It's kind of clear. Well,
It's not as opaque.
it's not that bad.
But like from my room, you know.
This one's green.
I need a little bit from my room.
A little bit. That's not clear enough.
One's too clear, one's not clear enough, one's opaque.
Well, this one would stand up, I think. But
See, give me this one.
oh my God, in heaven! Is this too?
Wait,
That's not.
do we like this one?
Some like.
Is this it for the glass?
I mean, does the weight come off?
You have to wash it. With a... What's this? This also is glass? The green tint.
I don't know. This seems kind of dangerous. It's kind of small.
And this just got a little teeny piece.
Yeah, go back to the glass pieces.
No, it's a small one.
The small one.
But I don't know. We'll come back to it. Let's see what else they have. There's more stones. Like here's a
This
good.
was kind of better specimen. Those are kind of crap.